This is my computer mouse that I use for everyday gaming. These are my fingers. They're crooked due to a joint condition which I was born with. I wanted to make a way that was more comfortable for me to hold my mouse due to my condition, because it's very uncomfortable to hold it as it is. As a result, I've developed this grip, which you can attach to the side of the mouse, which is tailored towards the curvature of my fingers in order to make the grip more comfortable. I hope that this grip can be more accessible towards people who have similar conditions to me.
Yeah, so how did you model that?
I did this using 3D printing, and I created a 3D model after measuring the dimensions of my mouse and my fingers in order to make the best curve for me.
All right, let's take a look. So it looks like a little friction fit you've got in there.
Yeah, this attaches to the inside of the mouse, which has holes inside of it in order to reduce weight. This is what the mouse looks like with the grip attached, with my fingers able to rest on each side. This encourages a resting position for my palm in order to make sure that my fingers are as comfortable as they are. In order to make sure that there's not a lot of friction with the ground, I intentionally designed the grip to not reach the bottom of the mouse. Therefore, this is similar to using the mouse in a regular setting. However, you're just using a more comfortable grip, which would reduce wrist strain and make it more comfortable for people who have fingers like me.
Excellent, man.